If you've never bitten into a sweet-smelling, vine-ripened, sun-warmed tomato harvested fresh from your garden, you haven't tasted a real tomato. And once you do, you'll never again be satisfied with the mealy supermarket imposters. Happily, tomato plants are easy to grow and remarkably productive. Hi, welcome to Veggie Tells Story channel. In this video we will learn how to grow tomatoes step by step. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Step 1. Get the tomatoes slices. Choose a large, ripe tomato. Cut a slice about 0.5 inches thick. Place your slice of tomato on top of potting mix in a small pot or container. Cover the tomato slice with about an inch of soil and pat down. Within a week, you should see your tomato start to sprout. Step 2. Transplant seedling to a bigger pot. After about 2 weeks, once your tomato seedlings are showing their first set of true leaves, it's time to put them in bigger pot. For potting mix, take 50% organic compost, 50% dark soil. Fill the pot with the potting mix. Choose the best seedlings to pot up, and discard the rest. If you pot up more than you can grow in your garden, just give away the extra plants when they are bigger. Carefully loosen the seed starting mix around your chosen seedlings. Gently scoop out each seedling, being careful not to damage the roots or stem. Firm the potting mix around the roots and the stem of each seedling. Bury the stem all the way up to the cotyledon leaves. Roots will grow from the stem and benefit the plant. Step 3. Care for the young seedlings. Keep the mix moist but not soggy, and water whenever the surface becomes dry to the touch but not completely dry. Fertilize twice a month while the seedling is growing. Step 4. Transplanting into the garden. Tomatoes are ready for transplanting into the garden when the seedlings are 3 to 4 inches tall. Tomatoes must be planted deeply in the garden. Deep planting encourages healthy and strong root system. At the time of planting, cover bottom 2/3 part of the plant with potting soil. Step 5. Taming those unruly tomato plants. Be prepared to support the seedlings with cages. Cylindrical or square wire cages keep tomatoes upright without the need for tying the stems. Step 6. Ready to harvest. Within 2 months of plunking tomato seedlings in the ground, the fruit should be filling out and starting to turn color. You can cut or twist the fruit off when it is fully colored. From this point forward, it's mostly watering and picking fruit till the season ends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Goodbye and see you next time.